Hello friends, I'm Mike from Everytech is Awesome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download the source code of any website using Python. We are gonna use PyCharm for this video. You can use other Python editors. After you open PyCharm, you are gonna create a new scratch file like this, new scratch file, and then Python. Let's remove this, and then you will open the terminal here, and we are going to install three packages. The first one is pip install requests. Let's install it. I have already installed, so it's a requirement already satisfied, but you will install it. And pip, the second one, install beautiful soap 4. This also certified. And the last one is pip install pandas. Let's enter. This is also installed. Now we are gonna open our new scratch file and then import requests like this, and then from bs4 stand for beautiful soap 4, import beautiful soap, and then we are gonna create a variable that is known as page is equals to requests dot get. We are gonna place the URL of the website here. Let's open Chrome. I will show you by Facebook. You can use at any website, facebook.com. It is the URL of Facebook, is just facebook.com. So we are gonna copy this and go to our PyCharm and paste here. And then enter, and then we are gonna create a variable soap is equals to beautiful soap. We are gonna open the bracket, and now page dot content, and then we're gonna say HTML is dot parser. Here it is. And now we're gonna print the variable known as soap. Let's run it. No, wait. Let's run scratch file 5. Here it is. It downloaded the code of facebook.com. Let's check if it works by copy. Let's copy and go to new scratch file, new text document. Let's paste this, and then file save as facebook.html. Here it is. Let's run it. Here it is, Facebook or sign up. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. I am Mike from Everytech is Awesome. Bye.